To be really successful in today's world, you know that it's important to be good on video. When you're trying to present yourself, your ideas come across on video so much better. But sometimes we're a little bit concerned about that. We want to make sure we're doing this right. Is the microphone working? Is the lighting good? All kinds of things that go into it. You need a tool that's going to help you. And I have found one I want to share with you. It is called BIGVU. That's BIGVU. BIGVU is a great little tool for using your phone. You can use your laptop computer. You can do it either way, and it gives you the ability to create wonderfully dazzling videos with great production. Pretty easy to learn too, and I really like that. I've been using it for a while myself. Like it's particularly good as a teleprompter, because it gives you the ability to put in just a few ideas or a script that you need to read when a time comes that you really want that, or if you feel more comfortable with it, you can do that. And by the way, they have come up with a great little tool right now that is working with AI beautifully. The AI capabilities on this thing have been really enhanced. And matter of fact, the other day, I had a chance to talk with their product manager, Bruno Lopes, and I had a chance to talk with him about the kind of things that people are using with it, where they're using it. This is one you really want to see to build your business and to find out what's going on. So get ready to take some notes on this. Get ready to enjoy, and more than that, get ready to do well in your business. As I talk with Bruno, the product manager there at BIGVU, that's BIGVU, remember that, you are going to like this. Bruno, welcome aboard. Glad to have you with us today.
Yes, good to see you again, Terry. Hey, everyone. Glad to share some exciting features that will help you take your business to the next level using video.
Yes, indeed. Well, you have helped many people. As a matter of fact, I might embarrass you a little bit here, but you were the one that was in customer support when I got started. And I had some questions. It was a little bit frustrating to me, but you were there helping me gently, going over and above the call of duty to make sure I got into it, picked it up just like that. Thanks to you, sir. So I want to say to you a big thank you for doing what you did, Bruno.
We appreciate all the words, Terry, to BigView. Our team is doing all the effort to make sure that all the users are happy at the end. We don't want to see you guys just with us. We want to see you creating more content and posting. So at the end, it's a win-win.
Absolutely. Well, to that end, let's get right to it. I know that you've got some new features because at BigView, you are embracing AI in a big way, not just because it's nifty and cool. Yeah, it is, and the nerd in me likes that, but even more than that for business. So we can get a lot done. Tell me about some of the things you're doing right now, you and that wonderful team of developers there at BigView that we as entrepreneurs can use.
If you hate being on camera, if you don't know what to say, or if you want to post more but still struggling to be consistent, this is for you. Because to go from zero to video posted using AI, this will take you less than 10 minutes, even if you have zero experience. And this is what I'm going to show you today. So let's suppose that now you're a real estate agent. I know that you have a lot of things to do. You have a lot of tasks, and video might be the last on that list that you have. What if you could create a professional, engaging real estate video to attract more leads to your profile and close more deals at the end using 10 minutes of your time per day? Or if you're a coach and you want to attract more clients as well. And at the end, there is important to mention why we use video. Why not image? Why not text? It would be just easier, right? You go ChatGPT, give me an article, copy and paste on LinkedIn and get clients.
Yeah, but video is like being there in person almost. It's close and it really gets the point across. And with Big View, you do that in a major, very professional way.
Yeah, because if you want to build authority and credibility, it's almost impossible to do this only with text and images. People want to see you, how you
Yes.
create educational content to not just attract, but nurture all these clients, all these potential clients that are watching your videos now. So consistency, it's the key here also in the game. And having a tool that helps you to stay consistent using 10 minutes of your time every day, it will be a game changer for you. So if you guys are ready, let's start
Yeah.
seeing some cool things that we have on BigView.
Yeah. So what's one of the newest cool things that you have out there that's not just cool and nerdy, which we like a lot, but helps us in business? What are some of the most recent developments you've seen?
Have you seen those videos on social media with cool overlays? Like when you're talking about Michigan, appears videos, images about Michigan. When I'm talking
Mm.
about coaching my clients, appear some images, videos related to that. You'll
Yeah.
be able to do this on your video to make it more dynamic using AI on BIGVU. So instead of doing manually or learning how to do, you just need to create a video, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. AI will do all the work for you. You basically need to click what you want. I want captions, music, and overlays. Apply. BIGVU do the rest and deliver the product ready to be posted.
I like it.
Amazing. And today, what we're seeing, we'll be seeing the 4S formula that we have on BIGVU. I'll just make me bigger for a second, because if you have zero experience with video and you want to create more videos and post more to start attracting more clients and closing more deals, video will be a game changer for you. You'll be able to do all of this in less than 10 minutes using this 4S formula, which will allow you to post more and stay consistent with your brand. Using this formula, we have the first S for scripting, then we'll be shooting the video with the teleprompter, styling with AI, and then sharing on social media. So again, we're going to create a script, record with the teleprompter, we're going to style with AI, and then share on social media. I'm going to show you how easy that will be, even if you have zero experience. So first step, let's open the BIGVU app, BIGVU, in case you missed the name. You could also be here on the screen, Terry. Do you want to be in the background? Just me, both of us? What do you think?
Well, I'm thinking we could put you on the screen because you're going to be doing that. Show some of the features because I can see it. Looks like it's good. This, by the way, will work on your phones as well as on your laptop computers. Works either way, and I kind of like both using both because each has an advantage of its own. But that would be good. Let's put you on the screen here so they can see you because you're a mighty handsome dude.
Appreciate that. So I just put it in the background. Let me make my phone a little bit bigger. And I'm not going to show you all the features that we have on BIGVU. For that would need 30, 40 minutes. I'm going to show you everything that you need to get started right after this session. So if you're posting nothing or one video a week, right after this video, you'll be able to post a video per day using these tools that I'm going to show you, and you see how easy that will be. The first step, as I mentioned, is creating an AI script. How we can do that? I will just click on the plus icon right there at the bottom. I'm going to give you a few examples, but I just click on the plus icon right there at the bottom. Then I will choose AI Magic Writer. When I do this, I need to click on Let's Start at the bottom, make sure that my name is right there, and I hit Next. On this screen, it really depends on the kind of video you want to create. For example, if you're a coach, a real estate agent, a intro video is a must on your Instagram profile. It should be the first video people see when they open your account so they can know more about you. People, they need to first know you to only then trust on you. It's impossible to trust you before knowing you. So that first video, that intro video that you add to your Instagram account, you could create the script by using this first script template that we have right here, the personal profile. For educational content, to nurture all those clients, all those potential clients on your profile, I would use a script with tips, and let me show you how that works. I basically choose a script with tips. Then I'm going to say 10 words about the subject I want to create a video about it today. So let's suppose that I'm a fitness coach. I'm coaching my clients on how to lose weight. And I want to post a video today to attract some clients. I just need to say a few words and AI will give me a script ready to be recorded. So it could be how to lose 10 pounds in 2 weeks. It could be more specific if you want. AI will think a little bit and then will give me back 5 different scripts related to that topic. So now I just need to choose one. I'm going to put you back on the screen, Terry, so you can choose which script you want
Yes.
me to create.
Yes, that is incredible. I did not realize it could do that, but I'm thinking the possibilities of that. If you're wondering, gee, what am I going to say? There it is. It's putting it in there for you. Well, let's see. Those all look good right now. How to shed 15 pounds. I like that. Second one down looks pretty good. Or 10 pounds there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Which one? Four,
Oh, the
two.
second one. Let's go number
Okay.
2.
Let's go with number 2. A few seconds after our script is basically ready to be recorded. This is a short script. What is recommended for social media, this would be around 30 seconds. So this is usually what we want for social media if we're talking about short content. The script could also be longer. This is the first step. So here's the result that you have. If you want to shed 10 pounds fast, focus on clean eating and staying hydrated. Cut out processed sugars and junk food. As you can see, we have a script here for a video. What if I'm not a fitness coach? What if I'm in real estate and I want to create a script today, a market update, a client testimonial? How can I do that? Let's repeat the process and you see how fast that will be. AI match writer again. Let's start. Next. Let me create now a news to share script like a testimonial for a client. I just closed a deal and I'm creating a video to talk about that transaction that I had. I'll hit news to share. And now I'm going to say and give all the details about the transaction, how I help the client. AI will craft a script for me. Oh, before doing that, I just want to make sure that my script will be long. So let me change on the settings. We don't have to show this on the final version, but let's go right there. So now let me create this testimonial video that I just had a closed deal with my client. I'll click right there on the icon in the middle. I want to create a testimonial video. I'm a real estate agent. I just sold a house in Orlando, and this client had the house in the market for 2 long years, no deal. He got in touch with me. We did some kind of declaring, and after 2 weeks, sold. He got 20% more money and was very happy at the end. So as you can see, I gave a lot of information to AI, and let's see, Terry, what AI will give me back here
This
on this
is
screen.
amazing. I like it. Now, by the way, question, can I go in there and I say, oh, I want to say it a little bit differently there in that second paragraph, what we said there, can I change that so that it's more with my own words?
You can do 2 things. You can tweak a little bit after the script is ready, like AI just gave me the script. I can tweak a little bit if I want, or even I could teach AI my writing style. So all the scripts will sound like me instead of just friendly, professional, marketing, persuasive. I can also do that on BIGVU.
Oh, that looks nice. So I could change that a few words in there, or I can say, oh, I want to add that sentence about not only did Mary Smith, but also Mary Smith, who is well known here in the Orlando area, or something like that. If I want to add something, I could do that as well. Correct?
Correct, for sure. As soon as the script is ready, you'll be able to do any editing you want.
Very nice. And I would imagine if I already have a script ready to go, I could load that as well.
Yeah, that would be easy. Just copy and paste on BIGVU, and then you're ready to shoot the video using a teleprompter.
See, I like that about BigView. It gives you a lot of choices and a lot of options. So whatever suits your style and what you're doing, BigView is ready to adapt to it. I like that.
Yeah, and what I love about BIGVU is the next feature, because the teleprompter save us so much time. Instead of memorizing all your lines, instead of trying to remember what you need to say or stumbling over your words, the teleprompter will be right there in front of you with all the words that you need.
Yes.
So let's see that in action. Let me make the teleprompter bigger. This is how we can record videos in one take. I just hit shoot at the bottom. It will open the teleprompter, and suddenly my phone becomes a teleprompter. And you can see that I have a painting here. This is just a regular wall. One thing that is very interesting, Terry, I'm not sure if you are aware of this feature, but we do have beauty effects. So if you've been drinking a lot of coffee and your teeth are not that white, we can make that happen using AI. So let me hit effects. If I click on retouch, right here, the first icon, and I click on teeth. So this is normal, but I could make whiter. So take a look. Maybe too bright, a little bit less, just look natural. Okay. I don't want something like makeup. I could, but usually I don't use on my videos. It could save you some time as well, but most of the videos I don't use. We have a lot of beauty effects that can help you. Instead of doing makeup, this could save you just this feature. 15, 20, 30 minutes just by using the beauty effects we have here for eyebrows, lipstick, face, looks. You can blur the background and more. After I set up the beauty effects that I want, I can control the font size. At the bottom, I have this icon to make it smaller or bigger. The speed as well, for most users, 140 to 160 would be the best speed, the best way to see. Record one take and see how it goes. Whenever if you're ready, you just hit record at the bottom. And now I don't need to memorize anything. I just delivered the message. I just wrapped up an incredible success story I had to share with you. So, I was contacted by a client whose house in Orlando had been sitting on the market for way too long, like years without any serious offers. He was feeling stuck, frustrated, and honestly about ready to give up. When we connected, I knew we had to shake things a bit. We did a complete refresh on the listing, new photos, better staging, and a fresh marketing strategy that really highlighted the unique features of the home. So as you can see, I could record this video for a minute, for 2 minutes, depending on how long I want the video. And the best part, no retakes. And this is the result you have after using BIGVU for creating your video. Take a look. No one will be able to tell you're reading. You're looking directly at the camera of your phone all the time. So you can be able to deliver more videos in less time. Let me put you back on the screen, Terry. What do you think so far? What do you think about this result?
I think this is the tool to use. I don't do a lot of reading from the teleprompter. I don't have to, but some of my clients do. And in many cases, they need it to be word for word. If you're making a presentation before Congress, for instance, you're going to do that. In some professions, it needs to be word for word, no ad-libbing. And that's where the teleprompter can come in real well. And if you're wondering, I don't know if I can say this or that, write it out. And BIGVU is the best one I have seen. I think it does a fabulous job.
What I hear from the BIGVU clients is that instead of focusing on them, like, I don't like this, I don't like that, I don't like how these look, they're focusing on the message they need to deliver because they're seeing the text and not themselves. So I feel that this helps a lot to overcome this self-esteem issue, like, I don't like this, I don't like that. Focus on the message and the video is ready, right? So we have done scripting, recording. Now, Terry, would you believe if I told you that I'm not going to stop sharing screen, but I'll do all the editing in this video in less than 2 minutes?
I could see that happening. That would be amazing because we know taking the time to do the editing can take an enormous amount of time.
And it's funny because we have some clients that they are using ChatGPT for scripting, that they put in one teleprompter app, then they export and put in a different app for editing, then they export again and create a thumbnail, then they export. They're using 5, 10 different apps for creating 1 minute video. So I want to show you the all-in-one. We have done scripting, recording. Let's see the editing. How can I make this video more dynamic, like captions, logo, music, and overlays? Don't worry, with a few clicks, zero experience. How I can do that? I just choose one of the captions template we have here at the bottom, like this one. Then here, believe me or not, you just need to hit free stock. Why I'm doing this? I'm asking AI to use automatic B-roll overlays related to the topic I'm talking about. So that's exactly what AI would do. And I just hit apply. This is 70% of the editing, these 2 steps that we have taken so far. As you can see, my logo is already there at the top. This feature that popped up is an AI feature that will fix your captions. So I just click on check subtitles. I can approve what AI suggests. Okay, so let me approve that. Perfect. My captions should be 100% correct now. The first thing that you see here on the video is loading all the assets. In the meantime, you see that my logo is right there on the top left corner. How did that happen? I did not do that. I just need to set my logo once, and all the video that I create afterwards, we have my logo right there at the top. How do I set my logo? At the bottom, we have different icons. Besides the sound icon, we have this icon that looks like a business card. When I click right there, the first option is logo. So as soon as you add your logo right here, all the videos that you create will be branded with your logo. On this screen, I can also add an outro, an intro. Like an outro saying something like, "Hi, I'm Bruno Lopes. I help business coaches to get more clients using video. If you like this video, give me a follow." This is the kind of outro that I could add for every video that I create on BIGVU by hitting right here, video outro. Again, what we're saying, how to add your logo, how to add outro and intro to your video. We're not doing all of this today because the video is basically ready. Terry, I did nothing. The only thing that I would do is just choose the captions template I want. Let me choose the captions template I want. Instead of these black boxes, let me use something like white boxes. And let me add some animation to my captions. Just by doing this, you start seeing a few overlays on my video. Let me make this bigger. So I'll play the video and you see that I did nothing, but AI did all of this to my video. Let me put you back on the screen so we can see the result. They can see your reaction. I did not see the result yet, so let's see the result together. You'll not be able to hear the sound, but take a look. We have automatic captions. We have the logo at the top, and you start seeing images and videos overlay in a second.
I like it. This is really nice. And you did it so easily and very quickly. That saves huge amounts of time. Oh, look at that. B-roll coming in. And again, I would imagine we can select the B-roll that we want, whatever it might be, either accept that, or if we have a special one we want to use for whatever reason, we could do that as well.
Take a look at all this footage added to the video without moving one finger. AI did all the editing. And yes, you can choose the ones that you want to keep, you can choose the ones that you want to delete. You can choose to use only your assets. That could also be done. But at the end, we really want to automate the content creation process. So you have to do less. Because at the end, you're not an editor. Maybe you're a coach. Maybe you're a realtor. Maybe you're a broker, but not an editor. So we want to save your time on these tasks so you can deliver more videos and attract more clients using BIGVU. So basically, editing, ready. What do you think, Terry? It's easy, a little bit, depends.
Yeah, I think this is very easy. And once you understand it, once you go through it, then you understand this is a way for you to really excel in business. You're taking something that is very important, expressing yourself on video. You've got AI working to do it for you in a professional way. And three, it's saving you time so that you don't spend all your time editing. You're spending your time in front of potential clients, in front of those customers that are helping you to build your business. And when they want something that looks professional, you got them covered.
Yeah, I have one comment on that. I'll just hit right here, make video at the top, so the video start processing. Because that's the editing process. I don't have to do anything else. The video is basically ready. You start loading now. I'll just put in the background for a second because your strategy could be a mix of both. If you're spending only 10 minutes of video content creation, you start attracting some clients. But at the same time, you could also be chasing new clients on cold calls. You could do more meetings, so you have more times and more resources now to get more clients, but it's still creating content. And one thing that we recommend, and we have seen that our clients are having a lot of success, especially with the consistency, Terry, is creating videos in advance. In one sitting, like I'm going to sit for recording, instead of recording one video, let me create three videos. And then I just schedule them to be posted on social media. So I don't have to think about content creation tomorrow again.
That is a great way to do it. And you're planning out what you can do with your time much more accurately, much better, and be able to do a whole lot more with it. I think BIGVU really fills in those gaps to be, yes, it produces videos, but really what it's doing, it's helping us to build our business in a magnificent way, to get it going forward and to help us to reach out to clients that we want and to really do what we can do best.
And some users used to say, okay, but I could buy a camera, I could use my computer for recording, but you have your phone all the time with you. Especially for real estate agents, like you have an open house this Sunday, get there 30 minutes before the open house, record 3-4 videos, and you have all the videos for the week ready on your account or ready to be posted on social media. If you plan in advance, you'll be consistent. And at the end, in a few weeks, you start seeing the results of that action, of that effort. So you'll be able to do all of this using BIGVU. I still need to show you the last step because let me sum up, tell you what we have done. We created the script using AI. I gave a few words. AI gave me back the script. I put that on a teleprompter, so now I don't have to memorize my lines. I can deliver the video in one take. Then AI did all the editing for me. And when my video is ready, it's still missing something, right? Because no one can see this video yet. So what if, let me ask you, how long, not now that we have AI, but let's think about 5 years ago, Terry, 10 years ago, how long usually would take you to post one video on all social channels?
Oh, to do that on all the channels and to produce that easily, where you're looking at 8 to 16 hours for putting that together. Not unusual to do it right. And that's a lot of time. And you think, okay, what if instead of 8 to 16 hours, I could do that in 1 hour? Okay, you 1 hour. You could probably do it in less, but do it in 1 hour. That is really important. And Bruno, another thing that I want to share with our viewers can be really helpful on this. One of the best ways to connect with people is to send them a personal video. They know it's you on the screen. They hear your voice. They know it's not some form letter you're sending. And you say, Mary, it was really good to meet you this last week at the convention when we were there. And I like what you talked about. You had asked about this. I did a little research and well, here it is. And I wanted to send this video to you right now. That kind of message is personal. That's the kind of message people want to see. You can put it on social media directly to that person as a DM. You can send it through email, and BIGVU lets you produce it in a very professional, memorable way. Think about it. This is not just a tool for video. Oh, it does a great job of that. This is a tool to build your business. This is one that can help you put some more money in the bank, which when I went to business school, they told us that was a good thing. Bruno, what do you think about that?
Yeah, I just want to say that we have a lot of AI tools nowadays, right? Every day we have a new tool, but we are in the market for more than 10 years. We are in the market creating content, creating the app already existed before all the AI appeared in the market. So we just adapt and improve the way that it used to work. So if instead of taking an hour to create a video, maybe 8 hours to create a video, could take you 10 minutes, you're just saving. If you think that your hourly rate, I don't know, is $100, you're saving a few $100 per video you create. If you create 5 videos a month, you save a couple $1,000 monthly for attracting more clients. If you think that way, it would be crazy to not start creating more in less time using one tool. For those of you watching this video, we have a very special Black Friday offer. Until December 1st, you'll be able to get not 5, not 10, not 20, not 40, but 55% off the best price of the year during Black Friday. Until December 1st, you'll be able to get the best BIGVU plan with 55% off using this QR code or using the link in the chat, the link in the description of this video. Will be able to get advantage of that. And the best part, 30 days money back guarantee, no matter the reason. So if you're happy, if you're not happy for any reason in 30 days, you could ask for a full refund. So we really trust the product that we have, and don't wait more. Take action now and start getting more clients using video in 2026.
Well, now's the time to take advantage of this. BIGVU is a tool that is really good, as you can see. And I really like it, and that's the nerd in me. But when I went to business school, they told us this was really good to make money. And with BIGVU, you can do it. And think about it. It's easy to use. That's important. That translates to dollars and cents. That translates to euros. That translates to Japanese yen, whatever currency you're using. It's going to help you. You get more done. You get it done in better quality. You get it done faster. The only thing I hope is I hope that my competitors look at it and say, we don't want to use that. Yeah, that's right. If you're my competitor, you don't want to use this. Instead, I'm going to let you, as my friend that are watching this, know about it and stay tuned to this because it's something we help you with here at Stark Raving Entrepreneurs. And I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Drop us a note and let us know how BIGVU is working for you.
Thank you so much for your time today. If you really want to change your business in the upcoming weeks, if you're struggling with lead generation, this is the solution you were waiting for. You'll be able to create videos even if you have zero experience, following the steps that I just showed you. As you saw it, I was doing on live with you, AI scripting, recording with a teleprompter, AI editing, and you'll also be able to share that video across all your social channels. This way you can automate all the video marketing of your business, and you can really focus on the other tasks that really take your business to the next level, meeting clients, driving more conversions. If you really want to take advantage, use this link on this video to get started now.